Are you looking for a grooming device that can do it all? Well, in this video, I'm putting the Philips Norelco OneBlade to the test to find out if it's the right fit for you. Stick around. What's up guys, I'm Paul D'Onofrio with Groom Reviews, where we're helping you get comfortable, confident, and clean in grooming. On this channel, we're bringing you everyday grooming product reviews, so if you're new here, consider subscribing and make sure to hit that notification bell to stay on top of all of our latest videos. Alright, so today we're taking a look at the Philips Norelco OneBlade Hybrid Electric Shaver and Trimmer, which claims to be the one blade you need to edge, trim, and shave any length of hair. Now before I dive in, let me clear up some confusion you may have with the items you see listed on Amazon. There are actually three versions of the OneBlade. One for the face, which I'll be reviewing today, another for face and body, and a third pro version, which is also for the face, but geared more towards the beard. Now each of these products may look similar, but there are actually slight variations as we dig into the details. So let's take a look. The face, or base unit, comes with one replaceable blade, as well as three stubble combs, lengths 1, 3, and 5 millimeter. It uses a nickel metal hydride battery and requires 8 hours of charge time for 45 minutes of use. The face and body unit includes two replacement blades, 4 stubble combs, lengths 1, 2, 3, and 5 millimeter, a 3 millimeter body comb, and a skin guard attachment for sensitive skin. Unlike the face unit, this unit uses lithium-ion battery and requires half the time to charge at 4 hours for 60 minutes of use. The Pro unit's differentiator is its 14 length precision comb attachment, which allows you to trim at lengths of 0.4 millimeter up to 10 millimeter. This unit also includes one replacement blade, a charging stand, a travel lock, and uses a lithium-ion battery that only requires 1 hour of charging time for 90 minutes of use. I'll link to each product in the description below. Now, let's talk turkey. What's the cost? Currently, the OneBlade basic face unit is listed on Amazon Prime for $33.99, while the face and body is just south of $50. You'll find the Pro version for close to $80. This may seem reasonable, but what jumps out to me right off the bat are replacement parts. When I see the words replacement blades, I automatically think future costs. And upon further review, in the fine print, we can see that these blades only last for 4 months, and that's based on 2 uses per week. So if you're thinking about using this as your new grooming tool for the next year or two, get ready to dish out some extra cash. In addition, Philips makes it clear that this product does not shave as close as a traditional blade. This is due to a tiny green guard preventing the blade from directly contacting your skin. Now, based on features and pricing structure, I believe there are several Philips trimmers that include the foil shaver attachment, including the Multigroom 5100 and Multigroom 7100, that can get you the same or better results at the end of the day with better pricing and no replacement parts necessary. And for that reason, I've decided to do a head-to-head comparison to see if that theory holds true. Alright, let's open it up and test it out. guys, so there you go. The OneBlade Face model is a decent little trimmer. It's not the closest shave, but it gets the job done. I personally did not find any skin irritation, but I did find the device a bit clunky when working around the inner chin under the lip. The blade can feel a little bit wide, so when you're cutting into those corners, you might be taking off more than you want. The lack of a bag for attachments can be annoying, and a charging indicator light for battery life would have been preferred. That said, where I saw the OneBlade perform best next to the Multigroom was on the mustache. The OneBlade's smaller profile comb was able to angle in with ease, while the Multigroom had difficulty getting in there with the larger attachment. But the foil shaver of the Multigroom edged out the OneBlade for smoothness. Overall, for those of you who are working with a shorter and tighter profile beard, or those who are just unconcerned with smoothness on the face and just don't want to use a razor anymore, this would be a good fit. But for those of you out there with thicker beards, such as mine, the Multigroom 5100 and 7100 are still forces to be reckoned with, and they will save you in cost and time over the OneBlade in the long run. In the case of the OneBlade, the Pro would be recommended to you, but at a price point of $80, it makes more sense to go with a Multigroom around $50, which doesn't need replacement parts and will last you up to probably 2 years. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what specific grooming products you would like to see me review in the future. I want to start putting out more helpful videos on this channel, but I need your help to grow my subscriber base. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. With Groom Reviews, I'm Paul D'Onofrio. Catch you next time.